Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In this video today, we are going to learn how to hide the sprite on the stage, on the screen by code. In a previous video, we have learned how to do it by editor, by clicking on these two buttons here. And in this video today, we are going to use some code to do it. I have already explained that when I explained specific scratch blocks, but again this video will be called how to. It will how to hide sprite on the screen by code, and it will be the part of this series how to, which is used for people who want to find specific solution to their problem. So they type in Google or YouTube search how to this, how to that, and I hope you will get fast and useful solution for that. Okay, in this case, again, just think what we are going to do. We are going to show or hide some sprite on the stage, on the screen. So sprite and showing or hiding it is probably connected to the looks, so let's try to find some scratch blocks with those words: hide, show, and so, and here they are, show and hide. So for example, yeah, just two of those. I will zoom them a little bit. So my dinosaur here is hidden by hard-coded buttons here in editor, and that works so far so good. But now when I'm trying to code my game and to make it playable, my level designer or boss or whoever says, okay, I want you to show this dragon, this dinosaur, when this cat, the player, comes on the screen, like 5 or 10 seconds in the game. So when the game starts, that means when the green flag is clicked, wait for example for 5 seconds and then show it. Okay, so let's see how that works. Let's check on the screen. 5 seconds is maybe too long, but I hope it will show. Yeah, so here it is. So maybe that would be like some kind of surprise effect or a strange scary effect where dinosaur jumps on the screen like after a few seconds, maybe 3 or 4, and that's all cool. But the problem here is that now when I have played this game once, the dinosaur stays on the screen. So first of all, I have to hide it. When the game starts, hide it, wait 3 seconds and show it. And now our fight can begin. So again, let's start it. Yeah, you enter some kind of last level and the boss shows up. Simple as that. We don't see the apples here yet. Why? Because they were also hidden by hard-coded clicking on the buttons here. But we can also say, okay, when I receive message, and the message can be, for example, when the boss is dead, when the dinosaur dies, when yeah, we would need more time to define this and make it into playable game. But imagine that we have some kind of message which will be broadcasted when this guy here, dinosaur, is dead. So when you kill him, okay, then broadcast message, okay, broadcast message 1 when I'm dead, and then when I receive message 1, Apple says, okay, show me. And so this will, when this guy here, dinosaur, is dead, this Apple will show up here, and for example they will start to move on Y position going down to fall like on the screen, to be like some kind of reward for the player. Again, it would need a little bit more time to define that and to code it, but the whole idea here is to show you how you can use these two blocks, show and hide, on different scenarios and put them in any possible way. If something happens, show, or even better, if something happens, show, else hide, and again use these operators here to check if something is true or false, and so on. So we have learned that earlier in our videos. So far so good, very simple examples, but I hope you have again defined in your head what is happening here when I click on these buttons and these numbers here, hard coding the game, and vice versa, what happens when I use same commands but here with code. Those are two different approaches. Sometimes you will use and need only this one. For example, if my game artist, if I'm not good at the art and I have this cat drawn by some friend of mine or artist, and it is too small or too big, I have to change the size of it. I can do that just by changing this hard-coded value here, so it looks now better probably for the game. Like this boss needs to be bigger, maybe also 125 to looks more scary. Yeah, that is better. So you will use hard-coded values, but also depending on what your game needs and how your games work, sometimes you will need to code those values also by these scratch blocks on your left side. So again, it's all about what you need, when you need, how you need it, and don't be afraid to experiment. And whenever you make a mistake, it's just as simple as this. Okay, I don't need it, go to the trash, bye bye, and that's it. That's it for this video also. Thanks for watching and see you in next one. Bye for now.